This is another audio transcription from StopSevereStomachPain.com. The name of this article, Constipation Symptoms. Start of the transcription. Basically, constipation is a word that is used to describe a situation where a person does not have the normal number of bowel movements. This may mean that a person only has a bowel movement less than 3 times a week, but it varies from person to person. Generally speaking, though, less than 3 bowel movements a week may indicate constipation symptoms. First, you need to understand that this condition is caused by a wide variety of conditions. The most common, by a large margin, is diet. Diet low in fiber and high in processed food are generally at fault and very common across the U.S. Another cause of constipation may be hormonal disorders. Finally, a lack of exercise and or clear liquid will only compound the issue. The sedentary lifestyle of most Americans fuels this epidemic, and due to this, over $500 million a year are spent on laxatives. Outside of the typical, other factors may cause constipation as well, like certain diseases and abuse of certain drugs, including opiates. Whether you suspect that you're suffering from this complication, you should see your doctor to confirm. Remember, constipation can create debilitating stomach pain, and although constipation is generally not considered life-threatening, there are many other ailments which produce the same symptoms and can be very dangerous. If the doctor is unsure, they will usually have you drink one of several flavored dyes. Take it from someone who's done it before. When you're in severe pain, it will be very hard to drink all of the 32 ounces required. After a couple hours, the hospital will take a CT scan of your abdomen, which will see how the dye is moving through your digestive system. The first constipation symptom that you may be able to notice is the passage of a hard, dry, or lumpy stool. Bowel movements will reduce drastically. When having bowel movements, you may realize that there is some pain and, in extreme cases, bleeding. You may also feel bloated or sluggish. It is important to note that having to push is the most common symptom of constipation. This will raise blood pressure and over time can lead to the development of hemorrhoids. Knowing the exact cause of your constipation is the key to getting a cure fast and effectively. As we mentioned before, if you realize that your complication is caused by lack of exercise, then it would be prudent for you to engage in some activity. If you need fiber, try to eat more leafy green vegetables and whole wheat grains. And finally, if you're dehydrated, try and keep a bottle of water nearby. The more accessible the H2O, the more likely you'll take a sip. These will all subdue constipation symptoms and allow you to lead a more comfortable life. End of transcription.